Just a quick one to show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify on your store. So if we view the store quickly and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see at the bottom in the footer it says Powered by Shopify. Now a lot of people want to get rid of this. So how you get rid of this is go to Online Store here on the left and then click on these three dots here and go to Edit Theme Content. And then in the filter items, just type Powered, and then it'll bring up anything that matches that keyword, and you'll see here it says Powered by Shopify. Just want to go into this box and just do some spaces, and then at the bottom here as well you can do the password page as well if you want to. Just clear that out and save. And then we go back to Online Store, view your online store, scroll to the bottom and you'll see your copyright is just your store name. If you want to learn more about Shopify, then I've got a whole video linked below which shows you from start to finish how to set up a store to sell your own products, and there's also a link below for a free trial, so don't forget to click that, and I'll see you in the next one.